He's on one cylinder here.
No.
You're on one cylinder.
Plug wire came off.
It's on one cylinder again.
Because the plug wire came off.
Well, he rode the bike. Why don't you put the plug wire back on it?
I can't get into. You can't get into it without just taking the coil off.
So what? 7/16 in the Allen?
Yeah.
Yeah, stupid job
I
bikes.
gotta do something about that community.
You think? That high G acceleration pulls the wire off. Is that the problem?
I'll tell you what, it pulls good.
Why'd you die in low gear? You run out of fuel or you run out of balls?
No, that car, that Toyota was there in front of me.
I thought I was going to do a U-turn.
I hit second gear, and then that's when it came on.
Well, I didn't. It was on two cylinders going on that we could hear it going down, but it's.
Yeah, until when I got off it, that's when it started running bad. I thought, oh man, I dropped the valve.
It just leaned top of low gear. It died. All right. Well, it's rideable. Are the lifters coming and going still, or are they kind of staying?
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't know what's up with that.
I mean, I thought it was supposed to be with the.
Now remember, you only got braking oil, so you're not supposed to be running full throttle all the time.
Which that shit's like water.
So
you take this completely off.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lose things on the
don't dog it too much. Remember, it's new pistons, new cylinders. You're supposed to be braking the motor in. You're not supposed to be braking in at full throttle.
I was told to break them in like you normally would ride.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, but this stuff's like water.
The oil's thin.
This braking is like straight up water, especially when it gets hot. It's like water.
1530 or something. 550. I don't know.
I just when we broke in his James's shovel head, he got down to IB and he checked the thing, and he said it looked like there's just dirty water in there. Because once that gets hot,
We put in a couple different kinds of oil. I know that.
oh, he's a little combo.
Yeah, a blend of Maxima. There's two or three different kinds. Probably that's all he had left on the shelf.
I thought something happened. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna have to help him. He's got a bad knee.
Did you hear it? Okay, now you can just tilt the coil forward and see how it pushes. No,
So why is it?
See how it goes in right there?
Well, it's broken.
What is?
Or is this supposed to be
That
all
goes into
chipped
that-
and stuff like
See what
this?
goes in that hole right there?
Yeah, but this is supposed to be all chipped like that?
I think what's happening is that those are like MSD plugs. Things are too big around.
Some guys forgot his jab bike down the border.
Or maybe they won't go on far enough. What's going on?
I think it needs a plug. I think it's plug wire fill up like you.
Yeah, why does it? Can I pinch this or something to make it stay on?
Oh, you may be able to expand it a little bit to make it stay on, but
No, looks like it's
I don't-
off hard to me.
I don't think it's going in there deep enough. Or else,
I think the wires are long enough for you to do that.
do you think that maybe it's pulling so hard?
I think you need to put
Look
some
at this.
super snot on the wire.
Like what?
Comes off way too easy.
What would you recommend, Keenan? You have another set of plug wires?
Zip ties around the plug wire with
Like pulling around here?
you know, around the side. Expand
got
the
a
center
long one?
electrode piece out with a screwdriver.
Okay. We'll expand that electrode a little bit. Copper part?
But you need to put a zip tie around the electrode, around the boot, trying to hold it on better.
This guy?
Around the boot here on the, on the coil.
yeah.
The coil has no lip, but at least it might help a little
Spread a
bit.
little bit with that or no?
No, you need a screwdriver.
Smaller?
You got big Phillips would be nice. You keep losing the same one every time, or what?
Same one. It's the same. It's the front one every time.
Need to bend around where my thumb is here.
I'm wondering if it's moving and hitting the cylinder or something when the motor mount moves.
The coil is attached to the motor, so there's no difference on that. Okay, that is now round and expanded. I put a
white zip tie
around that to see if that helps.
And other than that, I'm going to change those caps out.
You can't really put in. There's no room to.
Fucking zip tie around the whole thing. Like you got this.
You won't get the
fancy,
cover on
nice
the
chrome
cover won't go on there though.
There's not room to get in there very well.
It's molded right to the coil, you know.
Yeah, well, crappy ass design.
You can put one around that, I think like you're saying, Keenan, around the electrode deal there. You know?
Let's get this coil off the bike so we can work on it.
Little tiny 3/8.
What are these? 3/8?
3/8 socket, wrench, crescent wrench, whatever you got. Pull this crap off. No, taking all this crap with us. We gotta work on it off the bike. You can't work on the bike. You can't do anything on the
You
bike.
don't like to be on the ground working?
That ain't the problem. The problem is you can't work on to where it is.
These wires are a little long.
Man, stupid ass bikes.
No, 3.
There's some butchery here. What are you doing out there? I think I got lost.
Oh, just cracking. Right here. No, I'm saying what's excess.
It's a lot of work for a couple of nuts.
Yeah, oh, you gotta cut these.
All right. Come on, let's go.
All right.
Burning film. What the hell's he doing in there? What the hell's this crap on here for?
It's a custom.
What do you got? Taxon's crap on his bike?
A cell. Or is it the MSD that's the problem? It never come off before, but it didn't pull like it does now either.
How did you get that back on?
What?
You texted me saying it came off.
I drove over to the dock. So
Oh, okay, so that's why it sounded like shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, 'cause
one
he's like,
cylinder.
it sounds like it's running on one cylinder. I'm like, that's why it sounded
Was
worse.
it bottoming out or no?
My single doesn't sound like that on one.
Your single doesn't sound like that on one.
No.
It's supposed to be on a single.
Yeah.
Sounds way better.
I'll bet.
Mine sounds like a Harley on single. I run way more RPM than you are. See, that one's in there nice and
I
tight.
like that sound of that.
That one's better, but not as good.
How's it? Did you expand it a little bit?
Yeah, but it's still tight. So what do you got in here? You got these stupid things in here in the way.
But isn't it like the depth is the problem?
It's
No.
not sticking out like the other one is a little bit, but it's close.
Close. It's only when I get on when it's pulling really hard it pops it off. You know? Never did last time I was standing. I think it went like that when we got on the throttle. I squatted down the whole bike. I don't like A-cell stuff that much anyway, but that's all you can get.
It's all you can get.
I think the problem is those caps are too large.
So these have already been cut.
You know, because of the depth problem.
These boots have been modified.
From HEI Chevy.
Using car parts is a problem, but
I thought that little deal was making them stay on there too, but it didn't make no difference now.
it's got more bite on it had, but I think it's getting in here to get more of it. Okay.
Jump.
Joe! Bring it over. Joe, you know what to do.
Pardon me? I didn't do it.
The world wants to know what Tatro's about to do. Oh!
Need an airline.
In the grinding department.
You need to shoot out a pair of dikes too, probably.
Not a toolbox. Luckily, the cable that's sitting right here, he's cool. And he's like, yeah, it sounds good. Yeah, he's actually like at least enjoying it, you know? The new- Oh, there, ooh. That smells good.
Burnt the shit out my thumb.
What was hot?
I grinded the plastic off.
The holes of plastic just stuck to my thumb. It burnt the hole into my thumb. Where's my tools?
Dice?
I need a screwdriver and knife. You know what those
Screwdriver.
are?
That one
My
works.
damn
You want
thumb,
the big one?
now my thumb is burnt to hell. It's burnt bad too.
It does. Nothing worse than a burn.
It's burnt. It burns so bad when it hurt Harley all right now. It's gonna hurt in a few minutes.
So, slightly modifying.
Yeah.
Making the bike just a little bit lighter.
Might be a little more room for these caps, I think.
Man, it hurts.
I'm good. Burns, they keep hurting too.
Yeah.
Cold water is the only thing that does me any good.
Solid.
Solvent does too.
Got some right here.
Where?
Sure. Slow hose? Is it blue or
It's from the crankcase.
oh, you got a rag? Let me put a rag on it. Coming out the tube, huh?
Yeah.
What? Is it blue?
No, it's not blue.
That's good. That means it's engine oil then.
Oh, okay.
Blue's in the transmission right now.
Yeah.
You can almost roll without caps on these things. They're so long. There's a lot of brass in there still. They go down and down this way. Brass is like right here. Had to have this fancy shit on. Coming out in chunks now.
The molten plastic is what's the problem.
Would the cording thing do good or no? I mess up that tip grinder on there.
Just melt into the.
Yeah, ruin the tool. Should I have a razor knife? Cut that a little bit better. Should I have a razor blade? Must not have had a whole bunch of them the day I was doing this. I did a lousy job cutting.
It's not even. Let's just say that.
Yeah, lots of little cuts to it. Couldn't make just one good cut. I had a good blade. I probably lost my glass when I was riding too. Man. The second pair.
Where's? Well,
I got this. You want this thing back or no?
I think we're only on it.
Yep. That's the way to go. Short one in the front.
Ooh.
It went on good that time, didn't it?
Yeah, well, I mean,
Flipped on
yeah,
it.
you could hear it. Versus before, it was just every time you push down.
But you still put a zip tie around it.
It goes over the end, and not much drag on it.
That comes off way too easy.
So I cut the rubber back a little bit more.
I cut a little bit, but it's a little harder to do than what I was just doing.
I mean, I did it right there with Dykes last.
Did you call me?
They're all over the sidewalks down here. Oh, God, I can't run for film. Walking all over down here, said, mentioned Dykes. He said, that's no BS. He goes, oh, that one looks even better, Ken.
Too much that
It
time.
went down quite a bit more, didn't it?
Yeah, it got too much that time.
Too much.
There's any room for a zip tie anymore.
That's right.
Well, you know, get a lighter and melt it back on.
The fins and they overheat now.
Or you're overheating my fingers.
Come out at nighttime and look at it, see if there's any spark jumping around there.
Just when you cut too much on this
Looked
one.
like a Christmas show. You did cut. I got more at home.
Oh, just a new boot?
Yeah. When you buy them for the race car, they come off pieces, separate pieces.
Damn, it hurts.
Still hurting, huh? Put in that solvent tank.
That never stopped hurting.
Well, that one looks kind of short too.
Okay, I need
That's
a
what.
blue handle.
Huh?
A what?
Duck bills.
Duck.
Spin thing.
Not to be confused with needle nose. Those are duck built.
Is that custom?
They're not needle nose. They're duck built. Wide. They're good for tightening down zip ties. Was it 50 pounders?
No, my thumbs are hurt doing this even more.
Where's that dielectric grease?
I haven't seen it. Have some out.
You don't run any of that?
On those?
Yeah.
No.
It makes it even worse.
Does it? Well, I mean, for
They're
your
already
problem, if
falling
it's falling out, but
You want to fall out
You're
even
concerned
more?
about sparks jumping, or
no, I just thought it was just for corrosion, right?
it's for more ease of putting those
Oh,
boots
how'd
on?
that battery thing?
The key off? Oh yeah.
Did you leave the key on?
I don't think so. Still there?
Solid.
Good.
Weird, you only put.
4 mile.
Yeah. We all thought you ran out of gas for sure.
Oh, yeah, I
Because
thought
it
you
got
guys-
quiet real quick.
It was romping too when it started running that. It was on a run.
Remember, you're supposed to be breaking it in.
He tells me I want to hear what Ronnie says.
There's a fine line between.
It's called going down the street so I can hear it run.
Oh,
You're
okay.
supposed to check every position, not just wide open.
Oh.
There's more than one position besides wide open.
He has one of those clips.
It's all right. It's not working.
3 zip ties. We'll add that to the list.
For $8 a piece. No, that was a cheaper one. So it was only $5.
The burnt fingers will cost you money. So we melted all the crap out of the top, so we got room for putting the zip ties in there now. So we got them tied together, and then we put the zip tie here to hold as one. So if one comes out, the other one's going to try to come with it.
And I had this on too.
And this gives you more room. This gives you more flex area to put your plug lower up on there.
Yep.
So it goes up around. You see it's twisting it. See how it's twisting it outwards right now when you're doing that? Because this,
Comes on pretty good though.
because you didn't put these at the right angles. It should
The
be
back one's perfect.
Round 3.
there. So go put that on the bike. Pretend like you know what you're doing.
Doing the whole thing up was